This is our 2016 66 VW Golf R finished in black. As you can see, it has a very nice body kit on it with lower side skirts, wind deflectors, rear spoiler, rear diffuser. Really does look the part, this car. The 3-door variant. Inside we have tasteful steering wheel covers. We have the sat-nav, heated seats, DSG gearbox. Overall presented very nicely indeed inside. The car does have a couple of modifications. It has a air intake, large air intake, and a Resonator delete on the exhaust, which does make it sound incredible. Not too leery, but very nice all the same. We take part exchanges. We offer finance. If you go to our website www.carterandhaynes.co.uk or call us on 01244 570 814. Thanks for watching.